could have baled this entire field yesterday, but there were a few wet spots. I baled some of it yesterday, not much yesterday. That's a different field. We usually cut their hay. Separate. This is I don't know, maybe 13 or 14 acres. And that field is probably 4 or 5 acres, 6 acres, 7 acres, 8 acres, 9 acres. I don't know. You making a bale? Yep, he's making a bale. Like I said in those other baling videos, this baler does not have a bale kicker. Anyway, Grandpa is baling. He's not going to be the one to bale next year, I don't think. He's 86 years old. He's got to have a retirement sometime. He wants to train me on the baler. There's the bale. Not a bad bale. Anyway, I think we got about 8 bales out here. That bale counter doesn't work. Every single time I hook up the spring on that. Oh no. You see? That's how old he is. Right before we left. Oh, is this a crack? It is. Look how deep that is. That's probably why that baler pulls so hard right here. Yeah, we gotta get a bigger tractor. That tractor's only 100 PTO horsepower. We could get an 125 horsepower tractor. Or maybe a 6R or 7R, 8R. Not a 9R. Some of those giant tractors with the turning action where front wheels don't turn, they're all four-wheel drive. There are some newer models and older models. There's the newer models of the 9RXs. There's also 8RXs and 8RTs, 9RTs also. This is part of the field. That is part of the field. Here are these trees. I hate those bagworms in there. They suck. The worm is already out of this one. When they're not really all brownish and when they're gray, that means the bagworm is not in the bag anymore. But anyway. Is he going about 6 miles an hour? He's going about 6 miles an hour. This baler, you can go up to 6 miles an hour. Usually he doesn't really like to go that fast, but with this baler you can't really go that fast anyway. You can't even go 8 miles an hour. Sometimes the twine will come off of the side of the bale. These bales are 58 inches, each one of them 58 inches. This baler is a 1984 model, and the tractor is a 1977 model, so it's our newest tractor. Check this hay out, this one, this one. Oh man, that's not bad. That's actually dry.